Hey everyone, just put my kayak in at the Bell River. I'm in Presque Isle County. This is Lake Huron. And I'm paddling along the shore here, but to get to the shore you kind of need a boat to get across the river. Or you could swim it. It's about, I don't know, less than 50 feet across the river. So anyhow, I'm going along the shore here. There's a big limestone quarry right on the other side of these trees. So that's mainly what I expect to find here. I've never hunted here before. I'm seeing lots of limestone under the boat and on the shore. A few glacial rocks also. So I don't know if I'll find Petoskey stones. Oops, just hit a stick. But Petoskey stones are limestone, so I would expect to find a few along here. So we'll see. I was just paddling along here and I saw this in the water. I think that's a gastropod, like a big snail fossil. You can see a little better there. See the spiral? Pretty cool. That's a pretty big one too. I've got a bigger one at home, but that's pretty big. Hey. I just got out of the main bay and I'm here now. This is kind of interesting. That was probably a little pond up on the beach at one point, and the water's high enough now that it's become part of the main lake. You can see it's really shallow right here, and then it gets a little bit deeper in there. So I decided to get out and walk for a little bit, see what I can see. So as you can see, it's mainly limestone here. Every once in a while you see a little more colorful rock. I have not seen very many Petoskey stones, nothing worth picking up. Here's something I've seen a lot of. It's this limestone that are just full of holes. If you know what an omar is, you might think that's an omar, but I don't think that's an omar because it's limestone, and omars are made out of something called greywacke, which looks similar, but they don't have this many holes. And this is among a bunch of other limestone, so pretty sure it's limestone. There's lots of it along here. Hard to believe there's a quarry right on the other side of these trees. You can't see any of that from the water here. Thought those roots were cool over there. And then this rock with the big quartz veins going through it. Oh, here's a pudding stone. This is of the lowest possible quality. There's a little red right there on the end. That's the speck of red I saw. I know some of you guys like rocks with holes in them. I just found a double. Big hole and a little hole. That's kind of fun. I just found Holy Rock number 2. And I'm out of the boat again. See if anything's changed in the shore here. I just went by this skinny little point here. Kind of hard to see from here, but out there were some bigger glacial rocks. It wasn't all limestone, so I was hoping out here, in here, I'd see some more also, but like a few more rocks, a little more variety. And one of those rocks with all the little dents in it. Still no Petoskey stones. I might have seen a couple early on, but they weren't very good at all. Just spotted a pudding stone. I don't know if it's any good. Enough that I could see it. Nah. Gotta have more red than that on it. Interesting color rock down here. That's odd. So you can tell that that light green part is much softer than the brown part, and therefore isn't probably much good for polishing. It's interesting to look at. What else can we find along here? A lot of algae in the water here. It's not thick, but it's slippery. If you've watched my channel much at all, you'll know I'm not a big fan of granite. But when everything else is gray, granite looks pretty good. But I'm not taking it home. A lot of people ask me in other videos, they ask what the green rocks are. Sometimes they're blue. I think that's basalt. Not 100% sure, but doesn't really have any pattern to it, so it doesn't really excite me too much, so I never bother with it. I left my kayak back there on the beach. I'm just walking for a little while. I think I'll turn around soon. But I didn't even see from back there that there's a pretty little bay right here. So there's an example of how the outside of the rock is not necessarily the same color as the inside of the rock. You can see where that's been chipped away. Looks like a brown rock, but it's actually more of a greenish rock. Neat stripes on it. I think I found a Petoskey stone. That's a Petoskey stone, but certainly not worth bringing home. Another one of these pitted limestones. It's not pitted on the back, just on the one side. Color. Holy rock number 3. And number 4. Just a little hole there. That frog just jumped in the water. You see him? Trying to hide from me. Here's holy rock number 5. If you like holy rocks, this might be a good place for you to go. I'm heading back in now. This is a good place for a kayak ride. It's pretty along here. The rocks aren't all that interesting, so I would suggest if you want to come here for a kayak ride, that'd be great. If you're coming for the rocks, I'd find another beach. So anyhow, thanks for coming along with me. See you next time.